here we have the Ki cycle. And these 5 stages are associated with different energies. So fire is the energy 9 and very expensive. You have the energies 2, 5, and 8. Soil has a more gathering and condensing energy. Then you've got the transformation stage of metal, and here you have the energies 6 and 7, fully consolidated energy. Then you have the transformation stage of water, an energy of dissolving. Energies 3 and 4 belong to the transformation stage of tree, and tree is a very rapidly and expanding energy. Stages of contraction, two stages of expanding. And the way the 5 stages interact offers us a fascinating insight into our relationships with others. And here it is very easy to see that each stage naturally supports the energy of the following stage. This relationship is called the Shen cycle, or cycle of creation and support. The relation between each stage and the next is seen as a parent-child relationship. So, for example, if my principal adult key number is a 2 soil, so here, I would naturally support anyone born in a 6 or 7 metal nature. And I would be supported by anybody connected to fire nature. The other basic interrelation to consider is that between each energy level and the levels that lie in the opposite half of the cycle. And when one of the transformational stages is promoted, the opposite stage is naturally inhibited. For example, the water energy is encouraged. The more energetic energy of fire is suppressed. And fire can melt metal. And metal can cut down trees. And the roots of a tree can break up the soil. And last but not least, the soil needs the water, so suppresses water. And this cycle of suppression, or even the cycle of control, and going back to my previous example, being a 2 soil person, I would be suppressed by a tree nature, right? Tree suppresses me as a 2 soil, and I myself would suppress or control the 1 water nature. So anyone born in a 1 water nature. Okay, where do I belong to? To which transformation stage? And who am I suppressing, or who is suppressing me? Who am I supporting, and who is supporting me? You need your principal adult number. So how to determine your principal adult number? You add up all the digits of your birth year. And step 2, you add these digits again. Number 3, once you have a figure of 10 or below, subtract it from 11. So this now gives you a principal adult number of 2. And this works for any date in history. So now it's your turn. Determine your primary adult number and then share with me in the comments below what nature is suppressing you and what energies are encouraging you. If you like this tutorial on Star Ki Astrology, please share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be regularly posting more on behalf of Star Ki Astrology. I hope to see you back next time. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye for now.